So dear students, today we all are here to complete exercise 6.2. 6.2 is the exercise which is based on the topic addition of integers. Beginning two questions are related to number line, where you have to use the number line and add the following questions. Okay? If I will get the time, I will surely do these two questions also. But right now we are starting with question number 3, 4 and 5. As soon as this question will get over, we will start doing question number 1 and 2 also if we will get the time. Okay. So let us start from question number 3 right now. Question number 3 says that you have to add without using number line. Okay. Now let me begin with question number first. Question number first is telling 11 plus minus 7. Now all of you recollect the statements which I have already explained it to you. Remember, I taught you that if you have two different integers, like one is positive, one is negative, one is positive, one is negative. So remember always, they will subtract each other. They will subtract each other. So 11 में से 7 subtract होगा बेटा. What will be the answer? The answer will be 4. Okay. And please tell me which sign we will put here beta. Which sign we will put? Can you all please tell me? Yes, absolutely correct. The sign will be of plus. Why? Because 11 is a greater number here, beta. Because 11 is a greater number here. So the sign will be of plus 4. So if you write plus 4 or you write simply 4, both are absolutely correct. Okay? Remember. Now I am giving you the same condition of question once more. You try by your own. Okay? Now, right now I am writing one question for you all. You do it. This question you will not get in NCERT book. Minus 18 plus 11. Tell me now, what should be the answer? Beta students, you have to do it everything on your fair copy. You have to write everything on your fair copy, not in the book. You have to do it in your fair copy. Okay. So I can see the students have written the answer also. Now let me explain it to you. This is one negative number and this is one positive number. When they come together, they will always subtract. क्योंकि एक different है और एक different है बेटा. So दोनों आपस में subtract हो जाएंगे. So जब subtract हो जाएंगे, so answer will be 7. Why? 18 में से 11 subtract करोगे, so the answer will be coming 7. Now whose sign will be there? The sign will be there of greater number. So यहाँ पर number कौन सा बड़ा है? 18 बड़ा है. So the sign will be of minus. So the answer will be minus 7 in this case. Okay. Now I am going to give you the next question. That is question number 3. Minus 13 plus 18. Now tell me, how will you solve? What will be the answer, beta? Minus 13 plus 18. Again, two different sign. Again, two different sign. What we will do? We will subtract. After subtracting, what should be the answer? Absolutely correct, Manya. But beta, Manya, just you see that the numbers are 18 and 13. After subtracting, you will not get 15, beta. You will get only 5. Otherwise, your process was absolutely correct. Okay. Yes, students, you are all right. This is 18 and this is 13. Both are with different sign. So the answer will come from subtraction. So we have subtracted now. We have got 5. Now whose sign will be there? Sign will be of greater number. So greater number is 18 और 18 का sign कौन सा है? Positive. So the sign will be only +5. So either you write 5 plus or you write only 5. Both are correct. Now move on to the next question, that is question number D. Question number D is -10 plus 19. Now look at here, again the question is different with different sign. एक number दूसरा sign है, एक number दूसरा sign है. Now what do you think? What will be the answer, beta? Very right, very correct. One is positive, one is negative. So the answer will come from subtraction. So 19 में से 10 subtract करेंगे बेटा, answer आएगा 9. Now the sign will be of greater number. So greater number is 19. So the sign will be of plus only. So either you write +9 or you write 9. Both are correct. Absolutely, students, you all are writing very correct. Now move on to the next question, question number E. -380 plus -270. Now see this, beta. Both are with same sign. Both are with same sign. That means they will be added. They will be added. It means 2 negative and 3 negative will come as 5 negative. So same way you will add these two. What will be the answer, students? Absolutely correct. The answer will be 650 because both will be added. So यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 650. Now both were negative, so the answer will also be negative only. Answer will be -650 because both the numbers were negative only. So that is why the answer came also in negative. Now move on to the next one, that is question number F. -217 plus -100. That means both the numbers are negative only. दोनों के दोनों negative number है. फिर से, so what we will do? We will simply add those. Because both are negative, so the answer will be 317. And remember, both are with negative sign. So the answer will also be carrying the negative sign only. So the answer will be -317. Question number 3 is finished, beta. So students, question number D was left in this. The question was -250 plus 150. Okay. And in this question, again, we have different sign, beta. Okay. We have different sign. One is negative, one is positive. So if you will do this question, you will simply do that. One is positive, one is negative. Again, you have to subtract only. Because अगर दो different sign आएंगे बेटा, तो हम लोग को separate करना पड़ेगा. So -250 में से 150 जाएगा, we will have simply 100. Okay. And at the last, the sign will be of positive or negative. Students, answer in the chat box. Which number is greater? Which sign will be there? Absolutely correct. The sign will be of negative. Why? Because 250 is a greater number here. Because 250 is a greater number here, so the sign will be negative only. So now, students, we have completed question number 3 completely. Now let us move further for question number 4. So all of you do it along with me. Question number 4, heading you write it down on your fair copy. Question number 4 is, I am also writing question, you also write the question along with me. Question number 4 is, find the sum of. Find the sum of. So the first question is 137 and 354. Now the second question is -52 and 52. Then third question is -312 and 39 and 192. And the D question is -50, -200 and 300. Okay. Now look at your students. Let us try one by one all the questions. सबसे पहले question number 1 देखते हैं. सबसे पहले, if you will find this question, it is written find the sum. Sum means addition, और addition अभी हमने question number 3 में just complete किया है, अभी तुरंत complete किया है ना. So the same pattern you will have here also. Only we don't have the sign of plus. हमारे पास यहाँ पर प्लस का साइन नहीं है, तो आप इसको एक चीज तरीके से कर सकते हो. Simply have remove this and put the sign of plus. This can also be done, or better you don't change the sign, only simply write, let it be written and लिखे रहने दो, उससे भी कोई मतलब नहीं है हमको. ठीक है, अब सिंपली हम सॉल्व करते हैं. सबसे पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में बेटा एक पॉजिटिव और एक नेगेटिव नंबर है. दैट मीन्स अगेन वी विल हैव द प्रोसेस ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन, एंड आंसर में हमेशा उस नंबर का साइन आएगा जो बड़ा होगा. तो हम सबसे पहले देख रहे हैं कि बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है, 354. तो हमने सबसे पहले साइन लगा दिया नेगेटिव का, एंड नाउ वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट. सिंपली सब्ट्रैक्ट इट. 354 माइनस 137. 14 में से 7 जाएगा, बचेगा 7. 4 में से 3 जाएगा, बचेगा 1, एंड 2 में से 1 जाएगा बेटा 1 ओनली. So the answer will be 117. So the first answer will be 117. Now move on to the question number 2 of it. Now you can see again we have two different numbers. One is positive, one is negative. And you are knowing both the numbers are same. And if you remember, I taught you this. If both the numbers are same and they are written together with different signs, can you all tell me what answer will you get? Oh, wow, Manya, you are the first one who replied. Absolutely correct. The answer comes with as 0. Yes, Arav, you are the second one. Aditya, you are the third one. And all answers are very correct. Rohit, Prashant, everyone is writing the correct answer. Ujjwal, the answer will be 0, beta. Because if you have minus 52, if you have plus 52, they will come together and they will cancel each other and will give you 0 only. So the answer will come as 0 in this case. Now move on to the question number 3. अब यहाँ पर तो बेटा उल्टा हो गया. यहाँ पे तो 3 नंबर है, ये नंबर भी है, ये नंबर भी है, ये नंबर भी है. तो हम क्या करते हैं, पहले हम जो दोस्त हैं उनको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं और लास्ट में हम दुश्मन पार्टी को सॉल्व करेंगे. ठीक है, तो पहले हम दोस्त को निपटाते हैं. अब दोस्त कौन यहाँ पर है, पॉजिटिव का दोस्त होता है, नेगेटिव का दोस्त होता है, इसलिए दोनों ऐड हो जाते हैं. तो मेरे पास यहाँ पर 2 पॉजिटिव दोस्त है, तो पहले मैं इन 2 पॉजिटिव दोस्तों को क्लियर करूंगी. So they both are positive only, so both will be added together. So 39 will be added with 192, which will give you 9 to 11, carry I1, 9 1 10, 10 3 13, carry I1, and it will give you 231. Okay, why 231 beta? Because both were positive. That is why we have added both, and the answer is coming 231 after adding these two numbers. Okay, and 312 will remain like that only. हम उसको कुछ भी नहीं करेंगे because we have not done anything with that number. Okay, as it is लिख दिया हमने इसको. Now move on to the last step. Now you can see one positive and one negative is left. One positive and one negative is only left. Now what we will do? We will simply subtract it because both are with different sign. Because both are written with different sign. So what we will do? Now I am going to subtract this. So now 312. Now what we will subtract? 231 I will subtract. So 2 में से 1 जाएगा 1. 11 में से 3 जाएगा, बचेगा 8, and 2 में से 2 cancel will be there. So now the answer will be 81. But remember, the number is greater. Which number is greater? 312 is greater. So if 312 is greater, the sign will be of negative only. The sign will be of negative only. So I hope you all have understood this question number C. So students, I am giving you 1 minute of time. Please try question number D with you only. You solve it by your own. Sorry students, that by mistake in question number A, I wrote it 117, but answer will be 217. Sorry for that. So now question number D is only left, which I have told you to try it. Let us match that whether we have done it correct or not. So now you can see, इसमें भी पहले हम दोस्त को solve करेंगे, ठीक है? हम friendship वालों को पहले solve कर लेते हैं. So now we have -50 and -200 as a friend, है ना? Because दोनों negative हैं, तो पहले ये दोनों solve हो जाएंगे. So -50 और -200 जब आपस में solve होंगे, so the number will be coming -250. Okay, and what will be left? 300 will be left as it is. उसको हमने कुछ नहीं किया because वो दुश्मन पार्टी का है ना? So now what we will do? We will simply take now दुश्मन party together. So 300 and -250. So 300 and 250, you are knowing one is positive, one is negative. So we will solve it. They will subtract each other and answer will come 50. और जीतेगा कौन? कौन जीतेगा? जो बड़ा होगा. तो यहाँ पर 300 बड़ा है. So the number will be +50. Or you write only 50. Both are correct. And I can see most of you have given the correct answer. Okay. So thank you very much, everyone. Now let us move on to the last question of this exercise. That is question number 5. And I will teach you in such a way that you will understand very properly how much the large number will come. You can solve it very properly, this type of questions of integer. So students, I am telling you question number 5. But beta, before we move to question number 5, I just want to tell you, I am not taking any question from NCERT right now. For explaining, I am taking the help of RS Agrawal or RD. Okay? So do one thing, which question I am explaining you right now, you also do it in your fair copy. Okay? Chalo, look at here now. Suppose the student, the question comes, you have to find the sum. Okay? और आपके पास बहुत सारे नंबर आ जाए सॉल्व करने के लिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम राइटिंग अ क्वेश्चन, you also write it down along with me. See, I have given such a long question to you. Okay, I have given you such a long question. But remember, beta, this question is not tough. This question is the most easiest question. Why? Because you have integers only, and you are knowing you have only two types of integer, positive and negative. So आपको घबराने की बात नहीं है इसमें. करना क्या है? जितना बड़ा नंबर उतनी जल्दी सॉल्व होगा. कैसे सॉल्व होगा? देखो, सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, जैसे क्या होता है कि एक क्लास होती है, उसमें हर टाइप के बच्चे होते हैं. लेकिन जैसे ही टीचर आपको बोलती है कि अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ हो जाओ और एक ग्रुप बना लो, तो आप क्या करते हो? आप अपनी क्लास में से उन बच्चों के साथ ग्रुप में आ जाते हो जो आपको पसंद होते हैं. ठीक है, जो आपके फ्रेंड्स होते हैं, और जो एक तरफ के फ्रेंड्स होते हैं वो एक तरफ हो जाते हैं. तो हम इसमें भी अपनी फ्रेंडशिप वाला रूल लगाएंगे. क्या फ्रेंडशिप वाला रूल लगाएंगे? हम सारे फ्रेंड्स को एक तरफ कर देंगे और नेगेटिव वाले सारे फ्रेंड्स को एक तरफ कर देंगे. ठीक है, सो सबसे पहला काम होगा rearrangement. The first property will be used as rearrangement, which we have already studied in class first chapter. Sorry, so whole number chapter में पढ़ा था हमने rearrangement. So what we are going to do? We are separating the friends. Okay, now look at here. First, I am taking all the negative friends. -2, -3, -12. And last but not the least, -50. इन सारे बच्चों ने मिलकर एक ग्रुप बना लिया. Now I am taking all the positive friends together. पॉजिटिव फ्रेंड्स कौन कौन है बेटा? 10 है, 7 है और 100 है. So we have taken 10 also, 7 also, 100 also. Now once we calculate कि सारे नंबर्स हमें लिख लिए, कहीं मिस तो नहीं किया. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I have taken all the numbers. Okay. Now simply solve by the procedure which we have already studied. Now you can see beta that whether you have 3 positive numbers or 3 negative number या 10 positive number या 10 negative numbers, if the all numbers are with same sign, they all will be added. Okay, अगर सारे के सारे numbers का same sign होगा बेटा तो सारे के सारे ऐड हो जाएंगे, भले वो 4 हो या 6 हो या 5 हो या 10 हो. Okay, so now you can see it's -2 -3 मिलाकर के हो जाएगा -5, -5 और 50 मिलाकर के हो जाएगा -55 एंड -55 और जब आप 12 को ऐड करोगे तो यू विल गेट -67. ओके, -67. once again telling you, -2 -3 will give you -5 and then I have added 50, तो ये हो जाएगा -55 and -55 में I have added 12 which will give you -67. All negative added together which will give you here -67. Now move on to the next one, this one. Now when you will add this to all, it will give you 110 मिलाकर के हो जाएगा 110, 110 मिलाकर के हो जाएगा 7 के साथ 117. 117. Now we have solved both the groups. Now the last process, we will solve these two numbers which we have got it now. First number was 117, another number is -67. Now simply subtract it because both are of opposite sign. So what will be their answer beta? 7 में से 7 जाएगा, बचेगा 0 और 11 में से 6 जाएगा, बचेगा कितना? 5. That is 50. Positive 50. The answer will be positive 50. Question number 5. First one says that -7 plus -9 plus 4 plus 16. The simple question. What you need to do? Take the friends together and simply add those. So -7 and -9 coming together will give you -16. ठीक है, -9 और -7 ऐड होकर कितना आ जाएगा बेटा? -16. Now I am adding these both friends also, positive wala. So what will be there? 16 and 4 coming together will give you beta 20. तो 16 और 4 को ऐड कर दिया, आ गया 20 और 7 और 9 को ऐड किया, आ गया 16. Now you can see both are of different sign. So if different sign coming together, they will subtract each other, and when they will subtract each other, the answer will be now +4 because 20 is a greater number. So the answer will be +4. So either you write +4 or you write simple 4, both are correct. Now last question of this exercise, question number B. +37 -2 -65 and +-8. Now here the negative friends are more. Negative friends are more. So here if the friends are negative, what you will do? Simply take all the negative together beta. Okay. So what we will do? This is -2, this is -8, this is -65. So we will simply add those all negative, which will give us now -2 -8, which will give us -10. And this last one is -65. So now both will be added together and will give you -75. ठीक है, ये सारे फ्रेंड्स आपस में सॉल्व होकर के हमको क्या देंगे बेटा? -75 देंगे. After taking minus 75, 37 is still left. 37 is still left, beta. Now what we will do? We will simply solve those. So एक नंबर है पॉजिटिव, एक नंबर है नेगेटिव, तो दोनों सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएंगे. सब्ट्रैक्ट होने के बाद क्या आएगा बेटा? 15 में से 7 जाएगा, बचेगा 8. यहाँ पर हो जाएगा 6. 6 में से 3 जाएगा, बचेगा 3. So this is 38. So the answer will be 38, and here the number 75 is greater. So the sign will be of negative only. So the answer of this question will be minus 38. Okay, the answer will be minus 38. I hope you all have understood very properly. If still you have confusion, you may ask from me.